Class 9, chapter 2nd, and our topic is last topic is outbreak of revolution. In outbreak of revolution is and remaining part is the behind this chapter, and the remaining part is we know that the revolution was attack on the 14 July 1789. This was attack on the Bastille attack 14 July 1789. What are the reason behind? We have discussed in previous topic that how this revolutionary activities was happen, what are the conditions behind that, what are the reason behind that, the increase the prices of the goods, increase the prices of goods and all that thing, and the misbehavior of the and troop was sent in the city Paris to suppress the revolt against him, and bakery and crowd on the bakeries. These all that thing, unfair activities, increased tax, unfair and privileges, constitutional monarchy. So third state was unfair activities with was third member of third state, and which was they faced. And so after that they demanded for the demanded for the constitutional monarchy, and they demanded for the constitution. And in the village side also the problem was, a rumor was spread that the landlords was hired a band of brigands for destroying the crop, and so they attack on, so peasants was attack on the land, noble families and Chatraks. So these all the region, and so last in the attack was Bastille attack on 14 July 1789. And after that, what are the conditions? So after lots of struggle and incident, finally 4 August 1789, king recognized the National Assembly was formed by third state. After recognized the third National Assembly, king gave the full power to a National Assembly, and he gave the power to check the constitution or power. The power of king could be checked by the assembly. So give the check by the constitution. So this power give to the constitution and National Assembly, and decree to give up the privileges. Now after that, National Assembly passed the decree to give up the all privileges of the noble class, and give the clergy and give up to, and compel to give up the clergy privileges by clergy group, and all the privileges by the clergy, and confiscated the land of church, and removing and abolish the tithis on taxes, all that thing. These after that, these all become and the confiscated all the in this incident, and in this activity, in this step of the National Assembly got and French government National Assembly got 2 billion livre assets, 2 billion livre worth assets by the government. So National Assembly got these assets. Now the constitutional monarchy what becomes, and constitution starts 1791. So new constitution was formed 1791. A new constitution was formed, and new constitution gave some special rights to the peoples, and their rights which was demanded by the third state, to the each person have the each right and each vote, and vote to all the citizens, and conditions, all that thing which was for constitutional government, and the National Assembly give the power to the National Assembly, all that thing which was demanded by the third state was formed and was given by the Constitution 1791. The Constitution after the Constitution 1791 give some special right and form some special structure for this is the constitutional monarchy. It means monarchy, but which was limited by the power by the king. So this give the right to vote to the citizen, to give the right to vote to citizen. Okay, who have the right to vote? The citizen who can pay the 3 days wages equal to the 3 days wages called the active citizen. Who can pay the 3 days equal to the 3 days wages labor equal that is the active citizen, and who have the right to vote, who are the citizen of the country, and who can give the vote. Now among them 4 million, after 20 million only 4 million people are the active citizen. In 4 million only 50,000 people can be a electrode, only be a electrode. How they become a electrode? What are the qualification for the electrode? If you want to be a electrode, so electrode who can pay the higher taxes, who are the in the bracket of higher taxes come in the electrode. And in 50,000 members, only 745 members are the members of the National Assembly. These members of the National Assembly indirectly elected member. 745 member of this assembly was indirectly elected, and these indirectly elected assembly hold the power of king, and now the king have only veto power. This power can be used in the some typical situation. Otherwise this power of the king was held by and controlled by the National Assembly, and king cannot be taken cannot be used then unnecessary power by him, and cannot be used the unnecessary power. So king control the National Assembly, but king also and assembly control the king. So and ministers, this though, so top members of the National Assembly was elected by the nation, elected as a ministers who taken a decision of the National Assembly, who are the main topper ring of the assembly, and all the decision was taken by the ministers. Now independent judiciary, these judiciary also elected by the active citizen. These judiciary member also among the active citizens, and top members of the active citizens only. Who are the independent judiciary? There is no power of the king and National Assembly or any other thing. So judiciary power also important, independent. Now the become constitutional monarchy. Now the French become the constitutional monarchy. It means monarchy is that, but it was constitutionally dependent and constitutionally controlled and act according to the law, and it was held by the National Assembly. It was controlled by the National Assembly, and in this National Assembly gives some special rights and some special rights to the citizen, to hold the powers and to control the powers, just like hold the power and control the power. In previous situation, if we talking about the previous conditions of the previous condition, the monarchy can assign the power, monarchy can use the powers, and monarchy can assign the power, monarchy can decide the power. All the powers given only to the monarchy and king only, now, and noble family only. But now the powers was in the hand of only a citizen of National Assembly and citizen of the country, and National Assembly. And National Assembly was hold the power, and National Assembly give to the power to the all the active citizen use the powers, all that thing. And in this National Assembly was the important step. Monarchy was limited and controlled by the people. Now the next thing we will discuss about that, some special rights also declared by the National Assembly. Some rights to give the right to man, right to live, right to life, right to freedom of speech, freedom of the opinion, equality before the law, and establish all the natural and inalienable, all that thing was that is agreed by the human being, and birth and all that right was protected by the state of the government. These all the rights were given to the state, and right to the after in the next part of this chapter we will discuss and we will read about that now France become a republic. It means now the monarchy was also eliminated from this part of the state. So when French become the democratic or republic government, and National Assembly was elected by the active citizen of the people.